In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a PowerPoint presentation to A3 size. If you've ever needed to resize your slides for printing or just want more design space, this quick guide is perfect for you first. Open PowerPoint on your computer, whether you're on Windows or Mac. Then open the presentation you want to adjust. If you're starting a new one, that works too. Now, go to the Design tab at the top menu bar. On the right side, you'll find an option called Slide Size. Click it and select Custom Slide Size. A dialog box will pop up. In the first drop-down menu, choose A3 paper. A3 measures 11.7 by 16.5 inches or 297 by 420 millimeters, giving you a larger format. Perfect for posters or print layout. Once selected, click OK to apply. PowerPoint will ask how you'd like to adjust your content. Choose Maximize to keep proportions or Ensure fit to make sure nothing gets cropped. And that's it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now set to A3 size, giving you more space for visuals and professional designs. Simple, quick, and ready for printing or presentation.